All right, this will be one of the longer videos. We're going to go over how to create the inventory lists for each technician to be used for the quarterly inventory reports. So on our sidebar, we're going to head down to reports and graphs, reports, tool reports is going to go in the first box. The second one is going to be the tool summary report. You should be able to scroll down and see a little preview of what this is going to look like. Now that these are not our tools and our list is going to be a lot longer, this is just a given format of how it's going to look in Excel. Also notice that there is not any assigned to columns on this table. There is a way to produce a report that has the assigned team members, and that is the tools by employee report. The downside of running this report is that it removes the model name, manufacturer, and serial number from the list. So if I jump back to the tool summary report, which we're going to run, it only has the tool number, description, cost, and who it belongs to. You lose out on all these specifics that might help a technician identify the exact tool that is on their hand receipt. Another downside of the tool summary report is that while you get all this information, if you do run the list all, it does not differentiate which tools belong to a single person. So you do have to run each technician's report one at a time. So for this example, I'm going to use Williams, select his name. You can select sort by whatever you want. Most of the technicians ask that we sort by tool number. So if you want to save a button click in the Excel document, feel free to sort by that here. And then we're going to export. And this is going to give us an Excel file with all of their lists. And then I know that these all belong to William. So I'm going to add a column with, ooh, why, with his name. And I'm going to drag this down. I'm otherwise going to leave this table unformatted as I have to go in and get other technicians and people's. So I'm going to go to the next one. Okay, export. This is now going to open a new Excel file. What I find easiest is to just select this with the exception of the header. Grab that, copy paste it to over here. And these are Dean's. And then drag this down. So on and so forth. To do some quick formatting on this table, select a cell within it, Control A. I usually start by formatting it as a table. I just usually select the first one. Your table does have headers. Okay. I then usually left align, set my purchase cost as a dollar column, expand out any needed columns. You do not need to show tool number and barcode as they are all the same. I like the tool number name better. So I usually leave that one. Hide this. The quantity on all of these is 1. They are all tools, and I do not use the status column. You would then go into the assigned, select the persons that you would like to print and send, select, and I usually fit all columns on one page.